Did you know someone could be spying on your Android phone via the phone calls? If you do not want that to happen, you'll have to turn off these settings. So first of all, what you have to do is open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. So what you need to do is check the permissions of your phone app. For that, tap on this option apps that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, find the option for phone and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of phone. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on this option permissions. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all sort of permissions over here. The permissions like call logs, contacts, etc. are required by the phone app, but the permissions like location, etc. are not required. So what you can do is simply tap on any suspicious permission. For me, I'm just going to tap on this option location. Now after you do that, tap on this option don't allow. Now once you do that, you can simply go back. Now the location permission has been restricted. Likewise, you can restrict other permissions as well. Now if you tap on the three dots, now tap on this option all permissions, you'll be able to see bunch of permissions over here. Right over here, you'll be able to see other app capabilities. You can see few capabilities that are not required by the phone call app at all. So what you can do is simply go back. In order to prevent it, in the app info interface, scroll down, tap on this option modify system settings. Now after you do that, make sure to toggle off this button for allow modifying system settings. Now your phone app will no longer be able to modify the system settings. Now after you do that, open the phone application. Within the phone applications too, there are few settings that you need to turn off. So what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, tap on this option settings. Now you'll be able to access the settings over here. What you can do is tap on this option caller ID and spam. What you need to do is make sure this option for see caller and spam ID is toggled on. Also make sure to toggle on this option for filter spam calls. If you have the option for block, you can also toggle it on. After you do that, go back. Now tap on this option call recording that you can see on the screen. Now you do not want your Android phone to always record your call. So in that case, if you find this option for automatic call recording, what you have to do is toggle it off. Also make sure to delete the call recordings time to time. For that, tap on this option delete recordings. After you do that, make sure to select the shortest time. After that, tap on this option confirm. If you also have the option for call forwarding in your device, you'll also have to turn it off. After you do that, you'll be able to use your phone securely. So like this, you'll be able to use your Android phone to call someone without being tracked. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.